Hello everyone! Do you know that we can get $50 from Futu Moo Moo Singapore if transfer a stock from other brokers to our Futu Moo Moo account? This promo has already ran for more than 1 month, but to ensure I managed to get it done and receive the reward, I decided to only prepare this video if everything is going well. When the brokers want to give us money, our job is to grab it and transfer a stock from one broker to another broker. In general, it is free. Why not? $50 can work for a few meals. I can also buy milk powder for my baby. Not bad, right? And yes, I have transferred my stock successfully and received my $50 reward. But during the process, there was a drama happening. Instead of transferring my stocks from TD account that worth around 550 USD, Futu MooMoo transferred me a number of stocks which worth more than 12K USD. How was that possible? What has happened? How did I deal with this? I will share this drama with you all at the end of this video. In this video, I will be showing the step-by-step guide on how to transfer your stock from TD Ameritrade to your Futu MooMoo account. Step 0. Criteria to be eligible for the $50 cash voucher. First timer who transfer the stock from other broker to Futu. Second, no minimum value for the stock to be transferred. Third, you need an account with Futu Moo Singapore. If you do not have it yet, please refer to this video on how to open an account with Futu. You can sign out an account with the link in the description, and you are eligible to earn 1 free Apple share and 1 Neo share. Comment here if you need my help. Step 1. Request stock outbound transfer from TD Ameritrade. In order for Futu to receive the stock, we need to request outbound transfer from the broker that we want to transfer our stock from. Here is the guide as on July 2021. Email your request for stock outbound transfer to funding@tdameritrade.com.sg. Attach your Futu account statement in your email to prove that the account you are transferring to is your account. To download your Futu account statement, click Me. Under the trading account statement, click Statement. Click the monthly statement. Key in your statement password. The password is the last digits of the NRIC or ID we use to open the Futu account. If your ID is S1234567C, the password is 567C with capital letter. Download it and attach in the email. You may follow my template that I use to email TD. You may copy the template in the description. We need to get the DTC transfer form first. Once you receive the DTC transfer form, fill it, print it out, pen sign, this is very important. Electronic signature is not accepted. Scan it and email it back. Then, you will receive the email mentioning that our form is submitted for processing. Typically, it will take around 7 to 10 business days for share transfers. After a few days, you will realize that the stocks will be disappearing from your account. Step 2. Create an inbound transfer request for Futu. Click Me, click All. Under the stock section, click Transfer Stock In. Click US Stock. This is your US margin account. Then select the broker to transfer the stock from. Select TD Ameritrade, including Scottrade. Key in your TD Ameritrade account number. Key in your name. Please note that the name on your both TD Ameritrade and Futu accounts have to be identical. Click Next. Here is where we add the stock's details to be transferred. The cost price is optional. This is for you to track your P&L from your previous account based on your average purchasing cost. Click Add again to add more stocks if there is any. Click Next. Double check the details again. Click Submit and it is done. Then you will receive a notification that we have requested an inbound transfer of US stocks. Step 3. Check the status and receive the reward. You can always email to TD and Futu share transfer at futusg.com to check your stock transfer status. Alternatively, after click transfer stock in, you can click inbound transfer history to check your stock transfer status. Once the transfer is done, then you will receive this notification about our inbound transfer request has been completed. After that, you will receive the reward. If you are using other brokers, please check the stocks transfer fee. For TD Ameritrade, partial account transfers are free. I found that this is convenient as withdrawing the cash from TD Ameritrade charges a fee of USD25. With this transferring method, I can now buy the stock with TD, then transfer to my Futu account, sell it, and withdraw the cash to my bank account without extra cost. I only need to pay the platform fee at this moment, which is still significantly lower than the USD25. Some transfer from other brokers are not worth. For example, Tiger charges 100 USD per stock to transfer the stock out. Thus, it is not worth to transfer the stock from Tiger to Futu MooMoo. In summary, if you want to transfer the stock from other brokers, you can Google broker plus stock outbound transfer and look for the information required. In general, check the following before you proceed the account transferring. Fee to transfer the stock out, email to contact, form to fill. That is all we need for the stock transfer. Next, I'm going to share the drama that I went through during this process. I requested to transfer the following stock to my Futu account: 1 times ARKK, 1 times ARKF, 1 times BSC, and 1 times QQQ. The total value is around $550. As I will update my community members frequently on how my portfolio going, one day, when I click into my portfolio, I saw my account size is now USD19K. It should be around 7K at that time. I was like, oh my god, I strike Toto. Then I checked the notification. This was what I found. Dear client, your inbound transfer request has been completed. The following stocks have been transferred into your account. Why my stocks transfer become CORI, MGNI, SCNS, and UPST? The amounts are big too. Are my stocks digi-evolved? Then I checked my stock service record. On 5th of July, it mentioned that I requested the transfer of these stocks, that I never do so. I know that this is either Futu's mistake or TD Ameritrade's mistake. This stock must be belong to someone else. Okay, now it is not striking Toto, it is a nuclear bomb. Do you know that it is a huge offense if we appropriating the property of others and then making use of it? The penalty can even put the person in jail. What I did next was informing Futu Moo Moo via their messenger chat. As I mentioned in my previous video, they are very responsive. You may want to take a look on our conversation. I will pause here for 10 seconds. This is my email. I asked them to check for the request, and I wonder why I received the wrong stocks. I questioned about my account security too. What if my stocks are transferred out to others? Or what if I sell those stocks and transfer the money to my bank? Both scenarios would bring me into troubles. Here, I will pause for another 5 seconds for you to read my email message. Then I got a reply. Indeed, these stocks were wrongly credited into my account and they have removed those stocks. By the way, the email I received is sharetransfer@futusg.com. So I guess if you also encounter some issues on share transfer, you may reach them at this email. Next, I was asking them to clarify the issue to me. Why their client stock transfer request would reflect in my account and they even transferred the stocks to me. This is not acceptable. Then, Futu responded professionally. In general, they were processing the transfer manually and they were also looking on my transfer request at the same time. That makes out our request and thus the manual transfers was set out and processed to my account. They further elaborated more on this incident. We understand that you submitted share transfer request from TD. We emailed TD on 22nd June on your request, yet to receive any confirmation from them. Some unexpected stocks were delivered from TD to our broker account last Friday night, which looks similar, yet not exactly matched with your share transfer request. We emailed TD yesterday to ask for confirmation whether the shares belong to you. However, we have not yet received any reply until now. Just from the value of the stocks, right? They should know that these stocks are impossible belong to me. Oh well, this drama finally ended with Futu gifted me a Futu figurine, the Moo Moo Buffet. This can be my Dr. New toy collection, so I'm happy with this. Overall, the lessons that I learned from this event. If you receive any stocks accidentally, never use them. This should be also applying to other assets or money belongs to others. Communication is important. Look for the right channel and communicate with the broker for any issue. Futu Moo Moo support and customer service are excellent. This is all for my sharing today. Let me know if you need help for stock transferring to Moo Moo. I will be happy to help. See you in the next video.